now study about dielectric strength. So what's a dielectric? A dielectric means it's an insulator. It can be mica, paper, or any other insulating substance. Now they say, let's take a condition in which we'll have very high electric field. So for that we'll take two plates, this one plate here, and then this is the dielectric here. And then we'll have another plate also. In the first plate we give a positive charge, and in the second plate we give a negative charge. That's it. We have two plates here. Now imagine that we're giving very high electric field. Okay, when you give very high electric field, what happens is this is a dielectric here. This is dielectric. They say that when the external electric field is applied to a dielectric is very large, it tears the atoms apart so that the bound charges become free charges. Then the dielectric starts to conduct electricity. This is called dielectric breakdown. Now you see, when a very high voltage is given, okay, very high voltage is given, this dielectric will break and the current will start flowing into the dielectric. It will go to the negative plate also. So at that time the dielectric gets damaged. Now they say the maximum electric field the dielectric can withstand before it breaks down is called dielectric strength. For example, let's take two wires here. Okay. Imagine this is a wire here which is bent like this way, and the second wire. The first wire is positively charged and the second wire is negatively charged. Okay. Suppose we give for air, they say dielectric strength for air is right here like this way. Dielectric strength for air. Air is, they say it is 3 into 10 power 6 volts per meter. That means after 3 in 10 power 6, that is around 3 million volts. After 3 million volts, what will happen is there will be a spark here. Okay, there is a spark between positive and negative terminals. That means current will start flowing into the air itself. So this is air here, and current will pass into air. Okay, normally air is an insulator. Current doesn't pass through air, or charges don't pass through air. But at very high voltage, around 3 in 10 power 6 volts per meter, electricity can pass through air. Okay. Now they say they are given a table to show dielectric strength for different materials. Okay, let's see that also. Let us now see the dielectric strength of different materials. So they say different substances and dielectric strength. So the first one we have is mica, 100 into 10 power 6 volts per meter. At that voltage the dielectric will break down, that is mica will break down. Then next one is Teflon, 60 in 10 power 6 volts per meter. Paper, 60 in 10 power 6 volts per meter. Then air, 3 in 10 power 6 volts per meter. Then Pyrex glass, 14 in 10 power 6 volts per meter. That means at these voltages they will become a conductor and the dielectric will break down. So this is called as dielectric strength.